The next year is very important for the Blue Oval as the company is making some major moves with the introduction of 3 brand new models. Ford prepares a massive shakeup on the market, dramatically executing its bold vision for the future. Get ready because the Ford CEO announces 3 new models for 2026 and wows everybody. Number 3. Ford Ranchero Mini Pickup Revolution. Ford struck gold with the Maverick, creating a pickup that perfectly filled the gap between small SUVs and full-size trucks. Now, they're doubling down on that success with something even more surprising, the return of the Ranchero nameplate. Don't expect a muscle car-based coupe utility like the original, though. This new iteration aims to create an entirely new segment, the subcompact pickup. The 2026 Ford Ranchero will be significantly smaller than the already compact Maverick, targeting an even lower price point in the early $20,000 range. Based on Ford's versatile C2 platform shared with vehicles like the Focus, this mini pickup will focus on affordability and efficiency rather than raw capability. Under the hood, the base Ranchero will likely feature a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering adequate power for urban driving and light hauling duties. For those wanting more punch without sacrificing efficiency, Ford plans to offer a hybrid option borrowed from the Maverick's playbook, possibly utilizing a 2.5-liter system producing around 191 horsepower. This combination would deliver exceptional fuel economy while maintaining enough utility for weekend projects. The Ranchero's compact footprint makes it perfect for urban environments where parking is at a premium, but its pickup bed delivers versatility that small crossovers simply can't match. Unlike the Maverick, which still maintains substantial proportions, the Ranchero embraces its small stature with a design that prioritizes maneuverability and efficiency. Inside, expect a straightforward, no-frills approach focused on durability and function over luxury. Hard-wearing materials and simplified controls will keep costs down while still offering essential tech features modern buyers expect. The cabin will likely feature a compact but practical layout with just enough space for everyday necessities. Despite the focus on affordability, Ford designers have ensured the interior doesn't feel cheap. Expect clever storage solutions and thoughtful touches throughout the cabin that maximize the available space. This isn't just another vehicle in Ford's lineup, it's a strategic move to capture first-time buyers and budget-conscious consumers who never considered truck ownership possible. By creating an entry point into the pickup market at a price comparable to many compact sedans, Ford is expanding the definition of what a truck can be and who can own one. What makes the Ranchero particularly intriguing is its global potential. While developed with North American urban markets in mind, its compact dimensions and efficient powertrains make it ideal for international markets where roads are narrower and fuel costs higher. Ford could establish dominance in an entirely new vehicle category worldwide with this single model. Market analysts predict the Ranchero could become one of Ford's most important global vehicles, potentially opening up pickup truck ownership to millions of buyers who previously found the segment too expensive or impractical. The Ranchero represents Ford's commitment to innovation by looking backward and forward simultaneously, reviving a beloved nameplate while creating something entirely new for the modern market. Number 2. Ford Taurus, the American sedan revival. In a surprising reversal of strategy, Ford is bringing back the Taurus to North America. After declaring the death of sedans in their home market, Ford watched as Toyota and Honda continued selling Camrys and Accords by the hundreds of thousands annually. Now they've recognized the enduring appeal of the traditional sedan and are making a dramatic return to the segment they once dominated. The 2026 Ford Taurus won't be a ground-up new design. It's based on the Middle Eastern market Taurus introduced in 2023, but don't mistake this for a half-hearted effort. The current international Taurus is a thoroughly modern vehicle built on Ford's versatile C2 platform, shared with successful products like the Escape, Bronco Sport, and even the Mustang Mach-E. Visually, the new Taurus strikes an impressive silhouette with proportions that improve upon its predecessor. Gone is the somewhat bulbous profile of the previous generation, replaced with a sleeker, more athletic stance featuring shorter overhangs and a longer wheelbase. The fastback roofline gives it a distinctly sporty character reminiscent of the Mustang, while still providing adequate headroom for rear passengers. For the North American market, Ford plans to revise the front fascia with unique headlights and grille treatments to better align with American design preferences. These changes will give the Taurus a distinctive presence on American roads while maintaining the core design that's proven successful overseas. Industry insiders suggest the American Taurus will feature a more aggressive front end with influences from the Mustang's design language, creating a cohesive family look across Ford's passenger car lineup. Inside, the Taurus showcases Ford's current interior design philosophy with an impressive tech-forward approach. A massive massive screen spans nearly the entire dashboard, incorporating both a 13.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch infotainment display. An optional passenger screen further enhances the high-tech feel. Despite this digital focus, Ford has wisely retained physical controls for frequently used functions, creating a balance between modern technology and practical usability. Powertrain options will likely include three choices: a base 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing around 190 horsepower, a hybrid variant delivering approximately 205 horsepower with significantly improved fuel economy, and a top-tier 2-liter turbocharged four-cylinder generating about 250 horsepower. All engines will pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission, except for the hybrid, which utilizes a CVT for maximum efficiency. With prices that will start between $25,000 and $30,000, the Taurus will position itself as a compelling alternative to the Japanese sedans that have dominated the market in Ford's absence. By offering comparable space, more dramatic styling, and impressive technology at competitive prices, Ford hopes to recapture a significant portion of the sedan market they previously abandoned. The Taurus comeback represents more than just another model. It's an acknowledgement that Ford's all-in strategy on crossovers and trucks had limitations, and that traditional sedans still hold significant appeal for many American buyers. For countless families and individuals who prefer the driving dynamics and efficiency of a sedan but want something with American design flair, the return of the Taurus fills an important gap in the market that Ford previously left wide open for foreign competitors. Number 1. Ford Mustang Raptor Off-Road Pony. Ford's Raptor brand has transformed from a single high-performance off-road truck into a sub-brand that represents the ultimate in all-terrain capability. After the F-150 Raptor, Bronco Raptor, and Ranger Raptor, Ford is making its boldest move yet, creating a Mustang Raptor that defies conventional automotive categories. The very concept of an off-road Mustang sounds like an April Fool's joke, but Ford is dead serious about this radical reinterpretation of America's favorite pony car. The 2026 Mustang Raptor will combine the iconic sports car's DNA with genuine off-road capability to create something entirely unique in the automotive landscape. Powering this dirt-slinging Mustang will be a 5-liter V8, producing nearly 500 horsepower with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 Raptor R variant delivering over 700 horsepower coming later. Unlike traditional Mustangs, this power will route through a 10-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels via an electronically controlled center differential. While purists might lament the absence of a manual transmission option, the complex all-wheel drive system and off-road focus make an automatic the only practical choice. The transformation from road-hugging sports car to trail-ready machine requires substantial chassis modifications. Ford's engineers will employ the legendary Fox Live valve adaptive dampers, a Raptor signature with extended travel to absorb rough terrain. A 2-inch suspension lift, unique control arms, and substantial underbody protection will allow this Mustang to venture where no pony car has gone before. Visually, the Mustang Raptor will feature significantly wider fenders with protective cladding to accommodate all-terrain tires, along with distinctive Raptor styling cues, including a unique grille with prominent Ford lettering. Functional hood vents, skid plates, and off-road lighting will complete the transformation from boulevard cruiser to backcountry explorer. Sources close to the development team indicate the Mustang Raptor will feature a removable roof panel system, not quite a full convertible, but offering an open-air experience that enhances the adventure-focused personality of the vehicle. Despite these radical changes, the Mustang Raptor will retain enough of the base car's character to remain recognizably a Mustang. The interior will feature the same basic layout as standard models, but with Raptor-specific touches including unique upholstery with additional bolstering, special graphics in the digital displays, and additional off-road focus controls and information displays. The cabin will be fortified against the elements with water-resistant materials and rubberized flooring for those inevitable muddy adventures. With the starting price around $90,000, the Mustang Raptor positions itself as a premium performance vehicle for buyers seeking something truly unique. The Raptor R variant will push even further up market with a price tag over $110,000, approaching exotic car territory but offering capabilities no exotic can match. The Mustang Raptor represents Ford's willingness to take bold risks by combining seemingly contradictory vehicle types into something entirely new. It follows high-performance off-road vehicles like the Porsche 911 Dakar and Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato, but at a more attainable price point and with Ford's proven Raptor engineering behind it. Clearly, Ford has prepared big things for the next year, but it's not the only one. Check out this video about GM CEO announcing 6 new models for 2026, which you can now see on the screen. Ford's biggest rival is bringing a full set of novelties, including revivals of some of the most legendary nameplates in its history. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.